Things to do in Maldives. Let's get started. Joining a sunset dolphin cruise.
Hey Anna, how was your trip in Maldives?
Oh, Cyril, it was absolutely magical. I joined a sunset dolphin cruise.
That sounds dreamy. Tell me everything.
We boarded a traditional Maldivian dhoni boat just before sunset.
A dhoni? That's so authentic. Was the weather perfect?
Yes, calm seas, a golden sky, and a gentle ocean breeze.
I can already picture it. Did you see dolphins right away?
Within 15 minutes, a playful pod of spinner dolphins appeared.
Spinner dolphins? Do they really spin in the air?
Absolutely. They leapt out of the water, twirling mid-air like acrobats.
That must have been breathtaking.
It was. Everyone gasped and clapped with excitement.
Did you get close to them?
The captain slowed down, and the dolphins swam right alongside us.
So they were just next to the boat?
Yes, I could see their sleek bodies gliding through the waves.
Incredible. How many dolphins were there?
At least 20, maybe more. They kept appearing in joyful groups.
Did the sunset make the scene even more special?
Oh yes, the sky turned orange, pink, and purple behind them.
That sounds like a painting come to life.
Exactly. The dolphins were silhouetted against the glowing horizon.
Did you take photos?
I did, but honestly, the moment was more beautiful than any picture.
I get that. Sometimes you just want to soak it all in.
Right. I even put my phone down to simply watch.
Did the crew explain anything about the dolphins?
Yes, they told us spinner dolphins are playful, social, and love to show off.
Makes sense. They sound joyful.
They really were. Some even raced the boat, darting ahead playfully.
Like they were inviting you to join their game.
Exactly. It felt like they were welcoming us into their world.
Did you hear their sounds?
Yes, faint clicks and whistles, when the boat grew quiet.
That's amazing, nature's own soundtrack.
And the gentle waves added a soothing rhythm.
Did you have any refreshments on board?
Yes, tropical fruit juices and light snacks were served.
Nice touch. Did it feel romantic too?
Definitely. Couples were holding hands, watching the sunset together.
I can imagine. It's the perfect date idea.
Totally. The crew even played soft music in the background.
That must have set the mood beautifully.
It did. The whole atmosphere was calm and enchanting.
How long did the cruise last?
About 2 hours, just enough to enjoy, without feeling rushed.
And the dolphins stayed with you the whole time?
On and off, yes. They kept reappearing, until the sun dipped low.
So the finale was sunset with dolphins?
Exactly. The sun kissed the horizon, as dolphins leapt one last time. Trying underwater dining.
How was your evening after the cruise?
I had dinner in an underwater restaurant. It was truly unforgettable.
Underwater dining? That sounds incredible.
The restaurant is built beneath the ocean, with crystal clear glass walls all around.
So you could see the sea while eating?
Exactly. Fish swam past, as we enjoyed our meal.
That must have felt surreal.
It did. The whole place glowed with soft lights, highlighting the marine life.
What kind of fish did you see?
schools of colorful reef fish, and even a graceful manta ray gliding by.
Wow, dining with manta rays.
Yes, and tiny clownfish darted between the corals outside the glass.
Did the view change as you ate?
Constantly, every few minutes, new creatures appeared.
That's like dinner and a show.
Exactly. The ocean was alive with movement.
What about the food? Was it special too?
Oh yes, a gourmet 5-course meal with Maldivian flavors.
Sounds delicious. What was your favorite dish?
The fresh lobster with tropical spices, it was divine.
And all while fish swam around you?
Yes, I felt like part of the ocean world.
Did you see any sharks?
A small reef shark passed by calmly, which was thrilling but safe.
That must have added excitement.
It did. Everyone whispered in awe when it appeared.
Was the atmosphere romantic?
Very. Couples toasted champagne while gazing at the marine life.
I can imagine candlelight and ocean views together.
Exactly. The lighting was soft, warm, and enchanting.
Did the staff explain the marine creatures?
Yes, they shared fun facts about the fish and corals we saw.
That makes it educational too.
Absolutely. I learned that parrotfish help keep reefs healthy.
Interesting. Did you hear the ocean sounds?
Yes, faint echoes of waves and bubbles, added to the magic.
So it was a full sensory experience.
Exactly, sight, sound, taste, and even the feeling of being underwater.
Did you feel safe down there?
Completely. The glass walls were thick and crystal clear.
That must have made you feel immersed, but protected.
Yes, like being inside a giant aquarium. Enjoying a couple's spa ritual.
What else did you do in the Maldives?
Oh, it was absolutely heavenly. I experienced a couple's spa ritual, and it was pure bliss.
Couple spa ritual? That sounds luxurious.
The spa was set in a private pavilion, overlooking the clear blue ocean.
So you could see the sea, while relaxing?
Exactly. The sound of waves made everything feel peaceful.
That must have been calming.
It was. The air smelled of jasmine and coconut oil.
Aromatherapy too? That's amazing.
Yes, they began with a gentle foot bath, filled with rose petals. My boyfriend and I sat side by side, soaking our feet.
Did they play music?
Soft instrumental music, blended perfectly with the ocean sounds.
That must have set the mood beautifully.
Absolutely. Then the therapists gave us warm herbal compresses.
Herbal compresses? How did that feel?
Like gentle heat, melting away tension in my shoulders.
Sounds so soothing.
It was. Then came the full-body massage, with coconut oil.
Coconut oil? That must have smelled divine.
Yes, tropical and sweet. It made my skin feel silky.
Did you both get massages at the same time?
Yes, side by side, perfectly synchronized. We held hands, while drifting into relaxation.
Did you almost fall asleep?
Almost. I was in a dreamy state of calm.
Did they use different techniques?
Yes, a mix of gentle strokes and deeper pressure. My muscles felt light and free afterward.
Did they include any special rituals?
Yes, they placed warm stones along our backs. It was warm, spreading through my whole body.
Did you enjoy the atmosphere?
Completely. The pavilion was decorated with candles and orchids. They served herbal tea, with honey and tropical fruits.
Perfect ending to the ritual.
Exactly. We sat together, sipping tea, watching the sunset. It was unforgettable.